Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Traver, California, where they have a total of 16 Superchargers. So here are my initial impressions of the Traver, California Supercharger. Initial thoughts. You're next to a Bravo Farms in Bravo Land. They have an awesome Supercharger in Kettleman City, next to a Bravo Farms. You're here next to one too, so if you want to grab some great farm eats, hang out with the kids, there's like a little petting zoo with lambs, sheep. You can do that here. Initial feelings. I definitely have a cool Central California vibe because what? You're underneath solar panels, which is a big deal. And for you road trippers that are traveling in the summer heat of California, this might be the stop for you if you want to stay out of the sun. Initial concerns. I'm not concerned. You're definitely an agriculture farmland area, but that's part of California, right? Thank you so much for hanging out with us. It would mean so much if you would show a little bit more support and hit that like button. There's a subscribe button. Know what we're doing and where the heck we're going by hitting that subscribe button. And if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us, make sure you share the content over with them. Thank you so much, and hang tight for the review.
So this Supercharger is usually packed. It also has covering with solar, so you're in the shade. And most people don't realize we have a restaurant and lots of amenities where they can shop when they come and charge. We have several of them here. There's always spots available. You can come in and get our ice cream. We have fudge sampling, cheese samples, wine tasting. So I'd say it's one of the best stops on the 99 as far as amenities. I would say it's been around since the 70s. It's family owned. We have a 7-story tree house. It's a shooting gallery. We make our own fudge and cheese on site. And we also have a petting zoo and a dog park. It's very family friendly.
Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
I would say you definitely want to stop at either Traver or Kettleman location when charging your Teslas because you're not going to find the amenities that you will find here anywhere else.
Thank you so much, Jeanette. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Perfect. Now, if you inherited all of Elon Musk's wealth, what would you do with it?
I would make Bravo Farms the best attraction California has ever seen.